So hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost up your Android mobile speed so you can play big games like PUBG and Free Fire without lag on any Android device, whether it is on 1 or 2 GB of RAM. So I will tell you two methods of how you can boost up your Android mobile speed, but do not apply these both methods at the same time. Apply one method at a time, and whenever you want to apply the second method, first do the default settings of your device, then go for the second method. And if you are new to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get notification of my new videos. And if you have any question regarding this video, ask me below in the comment section. And guys, let's get started. So in first step we will do some advanced settings which are available on any Android device which can make your device faster. So first of all, go to settings and scroll down to the bottom until you see the about phone option, but in my case my about phone option in the system section. So click on it and then click on advanced, and here is an option about phone. So open it and find the build numbers and tap on build number for 7 times to enable the developer options. And now guys, go back and here is an option, developer option. So on it, open it, and then guys make sure the developer option is on, and then guys click on OK and scroll down and guys keep scrolling down. And guys scroll down until you see an option Windows animation scale. So open it and make it off, and there is an option transition animation scale, so you have to also make this option off, and another option animator duration scale, also make this option off. And then guys scroll down and here is an option force GPU rendering, so make this option on, and scroll down a bit, there is an option force forex MSAA, and also make this option turn on. And then guys scroll down and you will see an option do not keep activity, so turn on this option. And here is an option background music limit, sorry guys, background process limit. So open it and then guys click on no background process, and after doing these settings you can play games smoothly without lag, better than before on any Android device which at least have 1 or 2 GB of RAM. So let's jump to the method 2. So guys, for second method you will need a PC or laptop, and guys I am again saying do not apply these both methods at the same time. Apply one method at a time, and when you want to apply the other method, first do the default settings of your device, then go for the other method. And for the second method, again go to your settings and open developer options. If your developer options is not showing, so in the method 1 I have showed you how you can enable this option. So open developer option and guys make sure it is on, and then click on OK. Now scroll down a bit, so there is an option USB debugging, and make sure it is on, and guys scroll down and find an option named permission monitoring disabled. So this option is not available in every device, but if your device have this option, so you have to turn it on. And guys now let's go to my laptop. Now download the ADB fast boot drivers, so you can get link from the description, and then extract the RAR file. Now open the folder and click on the directory bar at the top, then select all and type cmd, and then hit enter to open the CMD windows. Now connect your mobile to your PC or laptop through data cable, and then type ADB devices and hit enter. And if any verification message prompts on your device, so you have to allow the permission to give access of your device to your PC or laptop, and then click on OK. And as you can see here, my device serial number is here. Then you have to type ADB shell and then hit enter. Now you have to type WM size. It will give you the default resolution of your mobile device. So my screen resolution is 720 by 1440. 720 is width and 1440 is height. So you have to go to a website. You can get link from the description, and here you have to type your width and your height and then hit enter. Then it will give you the list of all supported resolutions by your device, and you have to click on the one less resolution of your device. Means the default resolution of my device is 720 by 1440, so I will click on the one less resolution from my device. So one less resolution from my device is 640 by 1280, so I have to click on it and then type in CMD WM size 640 by 1280. So I am typing 640 by 1280 because one less resolution of my device is 640 by 1280. So you have to type your device one less resolution, so and then hit enter. So you can notice the change in my resolution of my device. So now my resolution has been decreased, so I can play games in more FPS. And now if you want to return to your default resolution, so just type WM size and your screen default resolution. So in my case, my screen default resolution is 720 by 1440, and you have to type your screen resolution. And if you do not know what is your screen resolution, so just search on the Google with your device name. And now as you can see, my device has been returned to its default resolution. So it's a simple method. So by decreasing the screen resolution, you can play games with more FPS. And any of these methods if works for you, so let me know in the comment section. And guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more cool videos like this.